Hey everyone, it's MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about something that I have literally been doing for years. Homemade chapstick. I have been making homemade chapstick for literally 6 or 7 years. And honestly, I love it because I am a chapstick junkie, and I literally have chapstick everywhere, like everywhere. So with this, literally one super simple small recipe literally makes 17 to 20 sticks of chapstick, and literally all in, let's see, I have my calculations right here on a piece of paper. Literally all of these, if I can get 17 sticks, which I generally get a little bit more, like 18 or 19, literally comes out to be 28 cents a stick. Again, why I have them all over my life, and I hand them out like candy as gifts. Like, have some chapstick, enjoy yourself, stay moisturized. Let's just talk about what you're gonna need for this. Everything all lined up and measured out. I do have the chapsticks ready to go. I use coconut oil, you can use any kind of oil, unrefined shea butter, beeswax, zinc oxide optional, essential oils, my labels, and it's all right there ready to go. If this is actually a really great container too, I got from Walmart. I think 2 of these was like $1. Like, so if you prefer like a lip balm, like a Carmex container, if you will, this is another great container to put it in, or literally your existing containers if you like to keep them, because sometimes that's what I do, I keep containers. So literally whatever vessel you want to put it in that's best for you, like, use it, no problem. What I do recommend if you're using any making homemade products with a shea butter and beeswax, is honestly get a really inexpensive, this is from the Dollar Tree, that you're gonna use every single time, because washing this would almost be like, I wouldn't wish this, like someone trying to wash this, because of, you would need so much heat and like really scraping it off. So just use the same like measuring thing, and also this is perfect, so you can, as you can see, just pour it into the sticks right afterwards. So all of those items that I had talked about, I have right here in this cup. So you're just literally going to take this, and literally I'm gonna use the microwave, but if you do not wanna use the microwave, you can by all means use a double broiler for your stove top if you wish, and you're just going to heat it up until it all dissolves. The beeswax does take the longest to dissolve, but honestly it just takes a couple minutes. Actually, if you're over the stove top, it's probably take like 5 minutes. What I sometimes do is let it come to a boil, and then as soon as it comes to a boil, turn it off, and then put like a metal bowl or a glass container and let it sit in there and like let it dissolve, maybe like on very, very low. And then, but I will just be microwaving it because it's just easiest for me. And then also I literally have actually I think I put 19 chapsticks in a glass container with a flat bottom. I just do this so it's easy for me to like put them in an area. They're all standing up. I'm not gonna knock them over, because I would probably just knock them over, because I sometimes can be a little clumsy with things. So I have them all ready to go right here. And then also what I do, and this is of course just if you want to, I literally have labels for my chapstick. And this, you know, I don't have a printer at home, so I just went to Office Max. I think it's like 45 cents for a color copy. Again, optional. You can just use like fun stickers if you want to use stickers, or of course, the old classic Sharpie marker. So now we're going to heat this girl up and do a little pouring. So here we go. Okay, so we are all melted. This literally took 2 minutes in the microwave. So essential oils, this is of course all by option. You want to, you don't want to, it's all good in the hood. So I love my chapsticks to be citrusy. So I always add grapefruit oil and sweet orange. Again, optional. These are just essential oils. The amount that you want to put, honestly, is all personal preference. I'm just going to use like one of these. And this is pretty full of the orange. And actually, was that the orange? Yep, this is the grapefruit. Squeeze it right in. All good. I think that's good enough. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. I love it. And then what I also do, like if you honestly just want to test the consistency of the chapstick prior to, of course, putting in the containers, I just use like a little ice pack that you have in your freezer for your food. And I literally will just take, and I'll just put it on here just to have it quickly, even though this sets up very, very quickly when you just pour it into the chapsticks, but I'll just pour it on here, let it harden quickly, and then I'll just put it on my skin normally, and then I'll just like rub it in to see how I like it literally just on my skin and how it kind of like melts into my skin. This is actually pretty good. The consistency works for me. I'm literally just going to easy does it. Oh my gosh, just like that. And I only had one left over, which was extra. So this made 17 chapsticks for the record. My sheet of paper is 100% accurate for this one. So it looks like I measured totally properly with everything. So at this point, you're just gonna let them sit. Okay, so for the labels real quickly, it's super easy. The easiest technique that I have is I have my little label that I had cut off of my sheet. Again, this is all optional, but all this is like perfect size. Honestly, I bet you if you even Google images, chapstick labels or like generic or something, like something is already up there. So with this, I have this, and honestly, the thing, the tape that goes around the chapstick most perfectly is this size chapstick. This size tape right here is absolutely perfect for, I just, you know, maybe like 3 inches of this to go around it, and literally it fits perfectly with not even like cutting this at all. So I just wrap it around and it's easy breezy. And then you have gorgeously labeled chapsticks to hand out to your friends so they know it was made by you or homemade and all that great stuff. Again, so why I absolutely love making homemade chapstick is because I know what's inside of them. First off, no chemicals. And also, it's super inexpensive. I make a lot of homemade products, and honestly, I feel like my homemade products are so much more luxurious than anything I could have ever bought from the store. And honestly, being literally 28 cents a tube, like glorious, and literally having as many as you want all over the place and to give. Now, also what I will tell you right now real quick is that, like I mentioned, I use sticks in other versions. I will be showing you, like, this is a tried and true. I literally hand this out like candy. This is a homemade bug bite relief stick, and it's no joke. It stops the itch so good, and it smells lovely. So again, everyone, reach out to me. I honestly would love to hear from you. Check me out on Instagram down here and message me. Like I said, I'd love to hear about you. I'd love to hear if you make homemade products, homemade chapsticks, if you know a secret recipe for something that maybe I don't know about. I want to know about it. And honestly, I so appreciate every single one of you. And thank you. And we will see you soon.